All right, cool. Hey everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Today is Wednesday, February 7th. This is the weekly Cluster API release team meeting. Couple of quick reminders. We do follow the CNCF Code of Conduct, which basically boils down to treating one another with respect. And please use the raise your hand feature if you would like to speak. Cool. So, a couple discussion topics. Feel free to add on anything. And we only have a couple right now. Um, First one is from me. So I'll get started. It's kind of a combo PSA and uh, discussion topic, which is next week on the 13th. Thanks for pointing out that date discrepancy, Akshay. We do have our second patch release of the cycle. Akshay is going to be driving. And so yeah, I figured we'd do kind of a quick check-in, sort of a prelude to what we do kind of during the day of the actual release. So and take a quick look at just sort of the test grid, which doesn't look all that different from the last time we did a patch release. I guess Adil, do you have anything that we should be aware of in terms of CI coming into next week?
No, nothing much. I mean, we're still seeing the same flakes in 1.5 and 1.6. I don't see any new one so far. So
Cool.
we are green to go.
That's good. The next kind of important one that we check is the security scan, which looks good so far. It runs on Mondays, so hopefully that stays the same next week, but we can, check next week on that too to make sure we're still green on that one. Cool. Anything else anybody wants to bring up regarding next week's patch release? I think there's a meeting on the calendar, so you should all have an invite. But yeah, let me know if there's anything else people want to cover. All right, cool. One small thing I introduced something last release cycle that should help improve the image build job, which caused some kind of unintended problems, but those should be resolved, and hopefully that'll speed up the actual build so we can, knock on wood. Not that we want to rush it, but hopefully those jobs will complete in a bit faster fashion, which kind of holds us up during those actual day of calls. It's not like a huge improvement, but I think it's like 7 to 10 minutes for each job, which is, when we're all kind of sitting around waiting for them to complete, feels like a long time. So just a quick update on that. So I'll pass it along to Willie with the next agenda item.
Yeah, just a quick update on like adding dependencies to release notes. So there is for the dependencies thing, we'll like add the links to the dependencies. But that part of it was like broken on the dependency that the Kubernetes release tool was dependent on. So I went ahead and fixed that and should be ready for review again. There is like a broken link like in one of the test files, but like I did my best to fix like how the links are, but sometimes like people put like slashes in their like branch names and that like messes up it's like literally impossible to figure out if that's part of the branch name or that's like part of the tag that's like supposed to be in the URL. So yeah, so some links are going to be broken unfortunately, but most of them I like got most of them to work. So that's just something we'll have to fix manually when we run the release notes tool. Like, oh, there's a broken link, we can fix that. Like, but right now, like out of all of the tests I've done, I've only found one link that's broken. So yeah, I don't know if there's a way to skip that test for one of the files, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
Cool. Thanks. Will that get flagged when the tool is run that there's a broken link? I
Yeah,
imagine.
the issue is because like there's like the broken links CI job like on the PR. I don't know if there's a way to fix that because this link is just in one of those like golden files that is used in the unit test that's made for the release notes tool. So it's just like a copy of the release. But yeah, I'm not sure if there's a way to like skip past that, so I'll have to like check. But yeah, overall all the links are like pretty much working. And also it's like technically not even a broken link. So like let me like link to if you go into the PR and scroll down, like all the way down to like the broken links job, if you click on the details. Okay, so like this one, like if you click on that link, it's just like it's not actually broken, it's just not comparing the right branches. So I don't know why that is flagged as broken. I think you're muted.
Yeah, I was just talking to myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is interesting because it comes back with says it's a 4 oh no. 16 links check. Someone that's coming back is dead. Huh.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be like API slash v1.18, but I was able to like fix it. You have to compare against API slash v1.20.0. So
Got it.
you need to add in two different places.
Yeah.
So I was able to figure out how to fix that for like tag names with more than one slash, but if there's only one slash, then I can't distinguish that between like the if it's part of the URL or not. So that's why this one in particular doesn't work.
Got it. Okay. Well, I guess yeah, I'll try to take a look at this later, and if anybody else has thoughts or ideas, feel free to take a look at the PR and chime in. But either way, hopefully we can get it fixed, but it's overall, I think will be a great improvement for the tool. Cool. Yeah, so take a look at that PR. Anything else you wanted to cover on that, Willie?
No, that's all for me.
Cool. Okay, great. Well, that's the end of the discussion topics. We can take a quick look at the improvement task board just to kind of surface that and give anybody an opportunity who has any other PRs they want eyes on or any questions about any of these tasks, an opportunity to speak. So, no major updates from my side, but I'll stop for a second and see if anybody else has anything. All right, cool. I think we're good for today then. Thanks everybody for joining, and we'll see you later.
Thanks. See ya.